Guy here, and today we got some things we gotta do. We're moving some cars right now, but I gotta look at the 68. It's leaking antifreeze still. We don't know what it's caused by, but we gotta make a video showing all the cars moving in and out and whatever I gotta do. Freaking cable line on that. Hold your foot on the brake, I can tell when it comes on. There's no light. Nothing. There you go. Yep. We're moving this one. Moving this one. Moving that one. Nice. Got some new rims for the 72. Check it out. We'll get that painted when we move because we're moving. I got to work on the 68 because it's still got an antifreeze leak, which we'll be doing. We'll go to 72. Alright, car. Just go slow with those brakes, Core. Go real slow. Gotta get a booster on this. And that's just that car, all motor. That's all motor right there you're hearing. These all moved for me. That's good for now. But that's a loud puppy. That's the one with all that horsepower. Corey, go slow. Go ahead, turn. You're good back here, you're good. Go ahead. We're getting all these moved because I gotta look at that one. That one's leaking antifreeze from the manifold, or not that intake, sorry about that. Cyclone. Like I said, we're going to look at that one today. 68. So we've got quite a bit of things going on. Gotta situate all the cars around so I can get one next, so I can get that one to the garage. Sorry about the camera. Here he comes. Here comes here comes the Cyclone back in. Here comes the Ford back in. Got that. Ford. Back over. Yeah, I'm getting this back over here. Sorry. Well, yeah, I figured you see the little cars being moved around. Back up, Corey. Go straight off into that mud. Go straight off in there and then back up. Right. Go straight in there. All right, now back up. Yeah, watch my car. Go ahead. Yep. Go ahead. Straight back. Straight back and you're good. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Right, whoa, right there. That should be good. All right, Frankie. We'll figure it out when we get it up here. Yep. Right there's the blue one. Yep. That should be good. Can't hear your car when he does that.
I got half a signal it's off.
Where the hell does Scott go? Starts up just as easy? Starts up just as easy now?
Oh.
Well, yeah, we got them. I got...
He's coming. They're up just a little bit.
Yeah. Here she comes. Gotta look at her. Wow, she is loud. That's the baby right there we gotta work on. So let me get set up with my thing and I'll show you what's going on with it. And this is the problem we're having with this. See all the antifreeze? It'd be in the center box, Frank. One of the center drawers that turns the bottom. You'll see it says pressure tester. That right there. All the antifreeze on the intake. That's what we'll be looking at in a few minutes. So leave me grab my pressure tester and I'll be back with you.
Keep that on.
Well, we got a pressure tester on it. And come to find out, again,
Stupid thing doesn't like these sensors.
the sensor is leaking around the top to that. And that's leaking. That's what caused it all up there again. We're just gonna put more ATV on it and see if that's gonna stop it. Clean all that up on the side real good. Can you reach this, Scott? So I guess we're gonna take it apart and do it. So I'll
get it like that. Right on the nose.
So we're taking it off. He's pulling the thing off. Can you see it really good? So if you ever get a leak, we change the thermostat housing and it's still leaking. It could be the sensor. We're gonna have to tape it and pressure, and that's not good. There's still pressure in it. We have to reseal everything again, see if that stops it. I hope it stops it. We have to, where's your ATV stuff? Can you go see? Oh, you can't go down. So.
It's too much.
We'll get this out, so
Okay, it'll be alright.
Got the sensor off. As you can see, there's fluid that goes through there. And it's leaking from down there too. So I don't understand it. I have to use some tape with silicone. Double seal. We have to use plumbing tape. I think they call it, right?
Yeah.
Plumbing tape.
Teflon tape.
Teflon tape. Let's see here. Yeah, that's what he's doing now. Teflon taping it. And then we're going to silicone it. We got to take the housing off, I believe, again too, and reseal that.
Probably. Yeah, it's got quite a bit in there.
So,
But you got enough here. Holy shit, we'll be good.
sorry for the movement of the camera. I'm just trying to do everything.
Maybe it's missing a couple of threads. Maybe. Try it. This should definitely seal up.
Thermostat housing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to stop it from leaking. So right now it's the thermostat housing we're having problems with. As far as we know, we thought it was a little bit out of the intake, but it's not. When it's running, it don't do it, but when it sits and it gets time for that pressure, it backs up. Did you put silicone on it?
Yep.
We're trying both of them this time.
Good that you set.
Yeah.
And you cleaned it up again.
I'll take the thermostat off. I don't want to make the video too long, so I'm going to pause it here, and when we get it off and stuff, I'll kick you back on. I'll be back.
No, I'm not
Big Ford guy here inside. We had to stop. We had a tornado watch. Check it out.
Holy shit,
Check this
out here.
Check this out.
Oh, you gotta wait for Dad.
Holy hell.
Look at,
Look at, holy fucking hell, man. This is nuts.
look at.
Wow.
That's why we come in. We're underneath the tornado watch. This is bad. A lot of rain. My car's gonna get soaked now. We ain't gotta worry about that. That's why we come in. So
It's actually kind of decent.
beats on my ass. Wow. Well, this is Big Ford guy. See how my next video. Oh. We'll go down, watch ourselves, we'll see you later.